Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make this delicious, yummy ogbono soup that you can eat with any fufu of your choice. Keep watching guys, let's get into the cooking. In a clean pot, I'm going to be adding my beef, my stock fish, and my smoked turkey. I'm just going to add everything inside the pot. I've already washed everything off camera. Okay, I've already washed all my meat off camera. Then I'm going to be adding my seasoning to the pot. Okay, as you can see. Then what I'm going to do, this is going to be optional. I'm going to be blending just a little bit of dry pepper just for me to boil the meat for about 15 minutes. Okay, I'm adding water. I went ahead and raised my blender and I put it inside the meat. I'll cook this for about 15 minutes. Okay, then this is 15 minutes later. Then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add in my cow feet. Okay, I've already cooked my cow feet off camera. Okay, because you know cow feet is very strong. What I did, I cooked the cow feet off camera. I just added it to the meat that I'll be cooking. Now I'm just went ahead and adding more blended pepper. Okay, blended dry pepper. I added a lot of blended dry pepper because I like it spicy, especially when it comes to draw soup. I like my draw soup to be spicy. Okay, I added dry pepper, then I added more water. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit, then I'll cover it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes again, because the stockfish is very strong. Okay, when I say strong, that stockfish is very hard. Okay, this is 10 minutes later. Then what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to stir a little bit. I'll stir it up a little bit, then I'm going to add in my ogbono. Okay, the ogbono, I blended my ogbono to a powder form. Then I added some palm oil. Then I put it in the microwave for about 2 to 1 minute so that the oil will dissolve. That's what you can see, and it turned to a paste. That's what you can see right now. Then what I'm doing right now, I'm adding in inside my pot. Then I'm gonna stir this very well. Okay, because you need to stir this very well. You don't want your ogbono to have lump. Okay, and you don't want your ogbono to be too thick. I don't like my ogbono to be too thick, neither I don't like it to be too watery. I just like my ogbono in between. I'm just going to stir this properly till there's no lump. Okay, right now, as you can see, I'm trying to mix it properly so that the ogbono, and you can add as much water as you want, but don't make it too watery. Okay, just don't make it too watery. I'm just going to stir it. After stirring a little bit, I'll allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so that it will loosen up. Okay, I'm still stirring. This ogbono is so thick, guys, and it's so dry. This is original ogbono. Shout out to my friend Mama Sita Ama. She's the one that gave me this ogbono when she went to Africa the last time. Okay, now I'm adding in my water. As you can see, I added more water. Okay, now I'm trying to stir it up a little bit again and make sure I mix it properly so that it will loosen up. Okay, you don't want it to be lumpy. The more you stir, the more you break up the lumps. Okay, I'm just going to stir and stir and stir till I am satisfied. Okay, then I'll allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Before then, I'm going to add in my blended crayfish. Okay, this is my blended crayfish. Then I'll stir it again and make sure I stir it very well. Okay, this all about Ogbono is all about stirring, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. And if you are new to my Facebook page also, please don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page. I appreciate every one of you for the support, for the love, for always coming back to support your sister, to support your girl. I appreciate you all. Okay, guys, this is 10 minutes later. As you can see, our ogbono is coming together, as you can see, and it is looking so good, and it's looking so yummy, guys. At this point, the aroma is getting as you can see. I wish you guys can perceive the aroma through the lens, okay, through your camera. Okay, I'm gonna add in my dry fish. Okay, I have a mackerel fish and a melusa fish. I went ahead and dry my fish in the oven. Okay, I use oven to dry my fish. You can do use fresh fish if you want. This is optional. Okay, I'm just gonna set it up together, and I had a teaspoon of KNORR seasoning and a teaspoon of salt. Okay, then I will set it up together. I'll mix it well, mix it well. Then I'll cook for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and yes, I'll cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the soup is looking so good, and the soup is looking so yummy, guys. I know you guys are hungry. Just be patient. Okay, the soup is gonna be ready very soon. Okay, it's gonna be ready. Okay, guys, look at our soup. At this point, our soup is ready. It doesn't take that much. It doesn't take that long. Okay, it doesn't take that long. This is 10 minutes later. Okay, this is 10 minutes later. I just love the palm oil, and the palm oil is very good. Okay, the palm oil tastes so good, and because it's original oil all the way from Africa. And shout out to Bomasita, my friend Amaige. She's the one that gave me the palm oil I'm using for this soup. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Soup is ready, guys. Bye everyone. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Bye bye.